Hey everybody, we're here with a video about slime. So today I will be making slime with Staflo, liquid starch, and glue. I recommend you always use always. So, I have my bowl. Now let me just pour my glue. I think I poured too much. Right. See? Poured too much. I think so. I'm always making slime, so yeah. Just poured a little bit of that. Got my mixing tool. So, just wait, hold on. One second. Just gonna like a bomb. And we're back. Okay, I'm sorry that took so long, but we're back. Just gonna use this. So, I'm making slime a lot. I always I'm gonna mix my slime slowly today. I usually just mix it very fast because I just want it to be over it. But since I'm doing a video, I'll just mix it slowly. Slime is already coming together, kind of. See? Just gonna mix it a little. I'm gonna add some more glue. Even though I put too much, I'm just gonna add a little bit more glue. I don't know what's happening. So I'll add some stuff. This is what I have. Mix it. Alright, my slime is hard. As you can see, the slime is a big gunk right now. You can see it's getting all over my hands. It's very wet. It's really wet. So yeah, my slime is pretty wet right now. I might just add a little more liquid glue. See, my hands are so disgusting right now. I know. Oh my gosh, why did I just do that? It's like a lotion. So yeah, I'm just gonna just sit and cook. Even though my hands are like really disgusting. Yeah, I just need a lot of more stuff. That was kind of good. Now let's just mix. And thank you. It's coming together finally. It's finally coming together. need a drop of staff right now. Thank you. Finally. That little bitty part just stuck to me. Okay, it's finally coming together, see? As you can see, my slime is fine. For now. So I'm just gonna... My slime is very sticky. So my slime is like made. Yeah. Step on. Yeah. That's stuck. Needs a little.
Before you post the video, let me see.
Okay. Okay, so I'm just gonna put that there. Okay, so it's kind of coming together. Okay, it finally is. Alright, so now this the rest of the staff off. So yeah. Just gonna rub the staff wool on my hand. So yeah. It's better just rub it for me. For me it's better. Okay, so I'm just like trying to like get it from the guts and everything. Okay, my slime is finally ready. So, yeah. My slime is ready. As you can see, I'm just gonna pick it. So, it's not a big glob. I made a little bit of slime. So, I'll stretch it. I'm just gonna roll it. I'm trying to get it off my hands. Right, the offhand part's gonna be good. Now, I'm just gonna set this over there. So, here comes the fun part. So, I think I'm gonna make mine purple. So I need red and blue food coloring, and I don't really know. So I might just put some sparkles in the slime too, which will give it a shape. Green. So that might look good. I hope it does. This is like a big hole, so I'm just gonna put one drop. One drop is kind of two drops. So yeah. Really? Just gonna pick that up later. right now. It's on me. It's on me. I need more corn. Are you kidding me right now? It's kind of turning purple, so I'm just gonna roll it. Okay, I'm about to add some sparkles. Just gonna put it. Gotta get it all down. Too much sparkle in this? My dad was... And before it really shows. Oh my gosh. Did y'all just see that? So now my slime is purple and it's sparkling. And my slime. If you've never made slime before, I recommend you do it. Okay, I'll see you on another, probably going to be slime. It's probably going to be something else, and I'll probably do it with a friend. But I really don't know. I'll see you next time on another video. Bye, slime. Bye, slime people. Well, not gonna say slime. Just bye. And we're out. Yes, it was